We gotta do a 900. Ooh, why? Bodied. Today, I'm gonna do your Skate 3 trick challenges. So I got on my Instagram and I asked you for challenges and you sent me tons of tricks. I was hoping to just get like one trick that would be maybe like doable, but a little bit hard, and then I just try it. But you gave me so many that I'm just gonna see if I can rifle through and land as many as I can. So thank you for the trick suggestions, and let's get right into it. Some of these are really easy, or I think they should be easy, so let's see how long it takes me. So the first one up is just a simple laser flip. I have no idea how to do a laser flip. I'm gonna have to check it out here. Let's see, laser flip. Right and across and then boom. Okay, let's see if I can do this first try. Okay. Ooh, varial heel flip. Oop, front side 360 shove it. Laser flip! Let's go. Okay, we gotta do it better than that. We need to at least do like a laser flip down some stairs. Give you guys some respect. The respect you deserve. Also, just by the way, I love this manual pad spot. That was just right there. So sick. But if I can do a laser flip down these stairs, I'm gonna be stoked. Wow, into a grind. Wow, into a grind again. Into a 5-0. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the top of this, and I'm gonna need to set a marker, because I suck at Skate 3, as you know by now. Okay, let's go. Laser flip. Ooh, laser flip the stairs. We're gonna have to check out that replay, because that was sick looking. Okay, let's check it out. What I wouldn't give to be able to do a laser flip downstairs like that in real life. Seriously, guys. Super, super epic. Okay, let's see what's next. I think the other ones are a lot harder. Like this next one, 900. Okay, so for this, we're definitely going to the map. We're definitely going to Super Ultra Mega Park. Locations, Super Ultra Mega Park. As you can see, I'm a total noob to this. I forget where they are every time. Is it University? Yep, there it is. Okay, Super Ultra Mega Park, let's go. Teleport in. We gotta make Zexy Zek proud on this, you guys know. We gotta do a 900, like a legit 900. Okay. Okay, jump on your board, dude. Why every time I play this, I forget all the buttons? There we go, there we go. Yes, land in the transition. Ooh, bodied. That's okay, I'm just trying to go right down here. And then I'm gonna try and set this marker. So I think the best place to do a 900 is you do a trick over this. I was definitely trying to do like a quad flip there. And now right here, 900. Okay, I thought that was perfect. And then I looked and it says backside cab 720. We are 180 short of a 900. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more speed, I guess. So I'm gonna have to land everything out this like super clean. Clean landing. Let's go straight into it. Okay, backside 900 dart catch. I'm pretty sure that covered 2 tricks. Hold on, I need to see that. Instant replay, I need to see it. I'm just gonna let it roll. Boom, 360, 720, 900. The next trick on there is a coffin flip. I did one time do a coffin. I did a video and I did like a coffin 360, but I have no idea. I think we can go here. Let's go to other tricks. Coffin, R, L, T, R, T, X, and A. But flip? Like a flip like this? For something tells me this is impossible. We're gonna try it. R, T, L, T. Okay. R, T, L, T. Yes. Okay, no. Ow! Literally broke my back, broke every bone in my spine, broke every vertebrae. Done. Okay, double flip. Oh, Coffin 360, super sick. Why? Why is he stopping like that? Okay, well I'm pretty excited about my Coffin 360. I feel like I tried to do that earlier in another video and it didn't work at all. And all of a sudden right there just... Oh my... Coffin 540! Oh! Bodied! Can we get Coffin 720? Okay, sick hard flip, thank you. I don't think so. Wow, straight up Mongo push right in the middle there. Okay, I'm stoked on that. I'm gonna call Coffin flip a dunzo. Okay, we're gonna pause, we're gonna see what trick is next. Coffin down a ramp, we're gonna consider that one done. And then the next one is they just sent me a picture of a pair of pants. We're gonna consider that one done. Miracle whip, okay. Trick guide, miracle whip. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking it's a grab trick. Miracle whip. Please say miracle whip. Super dude, Crail, seatbelt. Is it a 1 foot? No. Oh my gosh, dang, Benihana's in here. Right stick? Oh, I have got to do a Benihana. I'm sorry guys, this must be done. Right stick, LTX. Go back to the top. We're gonna go off this jump. We're gonna go down, we're gonna right stick. I don't know. I did a grab and I landed in Coffin. It was amazing, but it wasn't a Benihana. Okay, right stick. Why? Oh, that was it. I did a Benihana. Okay, I gotta do it again. I don't know why this is so hard for me. Right stick. Oh, that was sick. Ouch. Benihana kick out, land straight. That was a really bad slam. I don't know, but when I slam in Skate 3, I feel it in real life. It's like the Matrix, you know, I'm plugged into the Matrix, I just feel it. Ooh, why? How did I bail that? Okay, I'm accidentally hitting some button that I do not mean to hit. Okay. What? Oh, Benihana. Does it say Benihana on that? Hold on, hold the phone. Okay, let's run it. Oh, Benihana's weird. It kind of like the foot's almost behind him. It should be back. Okay, whatever. I was excited about that. I'm still excited about it. Okay, let's see what's next. Dark flip catch backside 180. I think I did this on the 900, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm assuming that they label this as a flip trick. Oh no, dark catches. Okay, RB, which is that, right bumper, plus down and up, backside 180. Okay, challenge accepted, mate. Should be very simple. Sorry. Oh, so I need to do that. Ow! Got him. Okay, run it back with a backside 180. Off of this jump right here, watch this. Don't hit that skateboard. Ow! What? Bodied. Okay, run it back, Aaron, run it back. You can do this. You can do the trick. Dark flip, backside 180. Dark catch. Okay, not only did I do it, but I did it so steezy. Oops. Sorry, I have got to see that instant replay. And let's run it. Look at the pop. I love the dark catch. I love how I flipped the board and then did a backside 180 and then flipped the board back and then land. Perfection. You guys are letting me off easy. I'm glad you didn't just go super, super hard. 360 hard flip into nose blunt, 360 inward heel flip out. Why did I have to say thanks for letting me off easy and then that's the one I read? Definitely not doing that because I probably can't even 360 hard flip, but let's give it a try. First, I want to learn how to nose blunt. Front side nose blunt. Oh, it looks so sick. Up and then around. So 360 hard flip nose blunt, inward 360 heel flip out. To be honest, I'll be stoked to do a nose blunt. Takes us to the top. Okay, there's this giant hubba over here. My goal in life at this moment in time will be 360 hard flip nose blunt, inward 360 heel flip out, which we all know that's not gonna happen, don't we? But I'm going to place the marker right there. How did I do that? What? How did I do that nose slide nollie hard flip first try? Sorry guys, I'm excited. That was sick. That was completely freaking sick. Oh, no way! No way! First try. Okay, that was so epic, first try. I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. The hold and the pop out? Come on. Okay, should I actually try to do 360 hard flip nose blunt? Let's go! Okay, the landing was not clean. It was not good on the way out. But you've got to admit, for this Skate 3 noob, to do a 360 hard flip into a back nose blunt down this massive hubba is pretty good. 360 hard flip, back nose blunt. First try. Okay, 360 inward heel flip out. No way. I didn't know you can do a grab and grind at the same time. That's sick. Okay, well now that we're here and we've come this far, for us to not do a 360 inward heel flip, late flip backside nose blunt would just be ridiculous. So we need to do it. Consider it done. Okay, I'm sorry. I know, it was a complete accident. 360 inward heel flip, late flip, back nose blunt. Stupid. Stupid. I want to say these tricks are completely impossible, but just watch in 2 years, somebody will do 360 inward heel flip, late flip, back nose blunt. Sorry. Run it back. 360 inward heel flip, nose blunt. I was trying to 360 inward heel flip out, but I accidentally did a kick flip. Somebody out there can 360 hard flip, nose blunt, nollie 360 inward heel flip, please. Post the clip on Instagram, tag me in it, please. I need to see. Okay, I know what I want to do. Double flip, back nose blunt. Okay, I feel like it's coming, guys. Oh, I would have fully taken that, would have been so good. Same as that. I literally did the exact same thing twice. What? That was sick. Back nose blunt, nollie 1 foot. Okay, that was sick too, and very clean. Please fall. That was the perfection of a fall. After that poor performance, the most beautiful fall there could have been. Perfect. Okay. Okay. I decided to change up my operating basis. We're gonna go heel flip. Okay, heel flip, back nose blunt. Aaron? That was glorious. We're gonna rewind that. Let's check it out. That's stupid. I love how it sort of like dipped and then I just random varial flip at the end. Like, no big deal, varial flip. Gosh, that was perfect. Yes! Yes! That was so good. Okay, let's rebate this. Let's check this out. And let's watch it. Heel flip. Back nose blunt. Pop out so clean. Okay, I'm really stoked on that. Thank you guys for sending me in your trick suggestion. I'm making these videos to help get more people into skateboarding. So if you ever want to skateboard for real, go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you're having a blast learning how to skateboard.